Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana. It's the end of week 6. Yesterday we had some work done. We had the vanity was installed, not completely done yet, and also the toilet. So I'm going to just give you a quick tour of what was accomplished yesterday. So over here, we still have a bit of a paint smell in here, but nothing has changed. The closets are the same. And we'll just swing around here and we'll walk into the bathroom. And you can see now our vanity. We don't have the mirrors up yet, but and I will show you these drawers later. They don't have any hardware on them yet, but I love this vanity. It's so cool. And look at our little faucets work. They're so cool. Actually, my husband really liked the modern look of these faucets, and one of the things that we decided in getting single pole faucets rather than having handles on the side was because this vanity is a 60-inch, it's not super huge. I wanted to maximize the space on the counter so that we would have room to do stuff, get ready, and not have extra handles in the way. So this was intentional, and I really love these beautiful faucets. They're just really nice faucets. Well, nothing has changed over on the shower, and I told you the shower glass was ordered, and it probably won't be here until closer to the end of November. And then if we swing around here, we can see now where the toilet will be. So it is not 100% complete yet. We still need to have our electrical outlet put in back there. This is a Toto Washlet toilet, so it is kind of the answer to a bidet without a bidet. So it's kind of cool. We've never had one before. But a lot of people are now putting them in. At the very least, they're always trying to rough in for electrical because it's easier to do it during the renovation stage in case you want to have it put in later on. So that's where we're at. We still have things that need to get done here. Today, the electrician is supposed to be coming by for a couple hours to start work on the finishing. He has a lot of work to do, I think. He's got, all the light switches, putting in lights, electrical outlets. So he's, I think, going to be busy for a while finishing up all the wiring. I don't think he'll get done today. If there's anything interesting to show you, I will absolutely go ahead and do another video, but I think I'll probably end up waiting until early next week until more of the electrical is done. But I wanted to show you the vanity because it is so cool. I'm very happy with how it looks, and I can't wait to get the handles on the vanity because I really like them too. I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.